Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Poco phone sound and vibration full setting, and today friends I will show you how to use other sound vibration setting one by one and step by step guys. We will talk about open your phone setting guys. After phone setting you can see this type interface on your Poco mobile. Friends, click on Poco phone sound and vibration setting. After sound vibration friends, you can set your notification, ringtone and alarm tone from here. So when scroll it friends, you can see vibrate for call setting, vibrate in silent mode, vibrate on tap setting. Do not disturb friends, you want to on your Poco phone, you can on from here. Friends, click on additional setting. First friends, you can see dial pad tone. So we will on dial pad tone. After on guys Poco phone guys on your dial pad, and friends click here, and friends if you enter the number on your dial pad, so friends you can use dial pad sound. So guys we will increase sound. So friends you can use your dial pad sound, and friends you don't want to use, so friends click here, and friends now when you will enter number on your dial pad you cannot use this dial pad sound. Friends second is touch sound. Friends if you on touch sound, so when you will click your phone button, and friends when you will click any icon, any setting, you can use tap sound setting, touch sound. So we can use touch sound on our Poco phone device, and friends you don't want to use your touch sound, so you can off from here. Friends you can see play sound when device is locked. Guys if you on this sound, so guys when you will lock your Poco phone, and guys when you will unlock your Poco phone, you can use your screen lock and screen unlock sound. And friends you don't want to use this sound, again click on phone additional setting and off your sound. Friends you can see play sound when taking a screenshot. So guys you want to on your screenshot sound, so guys when you will take a screenshot you can use your screenshot sound. Play sound guys when install app. Friends when you will install app on your device, so you can use your install app sound. Hence you want to use your play sound deleting photos and videos. So if you on this setting, so guys when you will delete your photos, so friends when you will delete any photo video, you can use delete sound. So like that friends we can on delete sound, and we can use on Poco phone device. Friends you don't want to use delete sound, so again click additional setting, you can off. As you can see phone charging sound, so when you will charge your Poco mobile, so you can use your phone charging sound. So like that friends we can use other sound vibration setting on Poco mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.